What's up, YouTube? Whatever, TikTok, whatever fucking channel this is. I'm gonna show y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all so much that I'm gonna show you like my own little personal secret. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get you a Mexican beer. You don't do this shit with no Heineken. Don't do this shit with no Bud Ice, no American beer. No, it got to be Mexican beer. You can do this with Corona or Modelo. That Dos Equis shit, maybe. But you could do this with like, generally Mexican beers. Maybe Dos Equis will work. Anyways, get you a Mexican beer. It worked really good with Coronas and Modelos. And you know I'm a mechanic, so I gotta have my fucking ratchet. Just take a little out the top. Fuck, that's good. Fuck, that's good. Now, your secret ingredient, ranch dressing. So this is ranch salad dressing powder. You know, we're gonna make ranch dressing at the house. See you back of that. You can make it, you know, to your liking then at that point. Otherwise, you're just gonna buy that Hidden Valley or whatever. You're gonna dump that whole pack of ranch into here. Dill pickle jar. So it was full, you know what I'm saying, when I added it. You see this at the bottom? That's that ranch. So you gotta fucking shake it up. Now you see how it's cloudy? So what I do, right, is I get a pickle jar. You can get the gallon or you can get a small one too. Like you can put the whole ranch packet into a small one. It's just gonna be real strong. Leave it in there for like 24 hours. Then the pickles, man, they gonna be the best fucking pickles you ever had in your life. Ain't nothing better than a fucking ranch dill pickle. You know what I'm saying? Them shits is fire. So, boom. And then see, you take out that little bit from the top. Yeah. You fill it out. You gotta fill it up, but you know, I like a lot of fucking pickle juice. About to open. Now, that's a good beer. That's delicious. I love you.